G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson. So I'm just going to be showing you how you would be installing one of our water level indicator kits. I will note that obviously by drilling the hole in the tank, there's obviously no warranty on the tank. So it's really important that you get this right, because obviously if you incorrectly drill a hole, obviously the tank's no good to anyone. So if you follow these instructions though, super simple, you won't have any problem. So firstly you need to drill a 22mm hole. So we've just got one here. When it comes to the location of the hole, you need to come down 35mm. So you need a 35mm hole center from the top of the tank. So in an 85, the top of the tank is from this lip here. However, if this was one of our 40-litre tanks or any of the others, it'd be 35mm from the top here, so it'd be somewhere right around so. When it comes to how far out you have to come, the general rule is you've got your inlet hole and you've got your side of the tank, and you aim for the center of that. So same deal on our 40-litre tank, you've got your inlet hole, there's your side of your tank. So it'll be somewhere here, but obviously 35mm down from the top. So around so. We need you to aim for 35mm because you've got, the tank is 8 to 10mm thick. You've then got the diameter of your 22mm hole, and obviously you need to allow for some of these other components that go inside the tank. So 35mm is a safe place to aim for, and then as I said, the center of the inlet hole. So when it comes to installing the unit, obviously we can't get our hand inside this tank to hold this side when we tighten it off. So it always has to go to near your inlet hole, so that as you tighten it off, it's going to apply pressure to the side of the tank here and allows you to tighten it by hand from the outside. So put the unit in on this angle, goes in like so. You then separately feed this rubber grommet. You'll notice that with this lip, that when we pop this through the hole, it's actually going to seal from the inside, and then as we tighten on the outside, it's going to seal from the outside, and you're going to get a really good seal there, obviously eliminating any chance of leaking. So you pop that through like so. Then as you pull this back out, it's going to feed back through that rubber grommet. You're going to feel that tapping sound around here. No, it's in the right spot. Then obviously applying a bit of pressure with your finger or the lead, but obviously you don't want to yank on that too hard. You'll be able to start turning that. You'll need a tool to tighten it up beyond that, but you'll actually feel the rubber start to swell inside that hole like so. And there you have it. You've now got your indicator installed. It's locating on an angle like that. Obviously you need the sender to sit near the bottom of the tank, otherwise you're not going to get a good idea of when the tank is empty and obviously when the tank is full. If you install this on a tank that was deeper than this, what you're going to find is that it's just going to say it's full for a long time before it starts hitting those markers to let you know where you're at half level and empty. But certainly can go on deeper tanks, but yeah, it's just going to say it's full for a long time. So there you have it. That's how you'd be installing one of these units with your 5 meters of lead, which you then feed inside your canopy or caravan as we discussed. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email.